Can you guess a word's meaning just by looking at its parts? In this lesson, we are breaking the language down into its core pieces. Learn these and you'll start deciphering words you've never studied before.
日
day, sun,
本
origin, book,
山
mountain,
水
water,
か
fire,
月
month.
Now that we've unlocked 6 foundational characters, it's time to put them together. Let's start building our words.
日本
日本 Japan,
日本人日本人
Japanese person,
か山火山
volcano,
1月1月
January,
2月2月
February,
3月3月
March.
Ready to test your new skills? Let's see how many of these combinations you can actively recall right now. Look at the English meaning and choose the correct characters.
日本日本人火山1月3月
In our next lesson, we are breaking down a brand new theme. See you there!